In today's video, we are going to show you how to completely uninstall Mozilla Firefox from your computer. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to make sure Firefox is completely closed. On Windows, I want you to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Now, if you're using Mac, that's going to be press Command plus Option plus Escape. And then here, select Firefox. You can simply hit the force quit or right click on it and click the End Task. After that is uninstalling the current Firefox version. And of course, all you have to do is go to the Windows, type in Control Panel. And of course, you need to go to the Programs, search for Mozilla Firefox, right click on it, and click the Uninstall Program. Okay? Now, from here, all I have to do is super simple. Okay? Just follow the on-screen instructions. You want to make sure to not check the box to remove personal data once it's finished. Now, if you want a full cleanup, you can also delete the leftover files by going to your username, app data, roaming, and Mozilla. You need to only do this if you don't need bookmarks or saved passwords. Once Firefox is removed, restart your computer to make sure all changes take effect. And if you want to re-download Firefox, just go to your favorite browser and click the Download Firefox. And that's it for today's video on how to uninstall Mozilla Firefox from your computer. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.